Today is a beautiful spring day here in Toronto. The other day I had icicles hanging off my car, so we kind of have to be ready for every season right now. Today's beautiful spring weather inspired me to work on a page in my book of flowers. I've already done all of these very pretty pages for this book that I will assemble at the end. So to start, I just made some lines for stems, and I'm going to use this mini yarn and a backstitch. Keep it nice and simple. Let's see if this needle is big enough. So now I'm using this shiny thread. I have it doubled here on my needle, and I'm using a fly stitch to create these little sort of cups. And I'm bringing that stitch right up to the line of the stem. I have more of this mini yarn. This time I'm using white, and I'm creating some little French knots, kind of like little buds. And I'm gonna wrap it around my needle 3 times because I want the buds to be a pretty good size, and I'm not pulling too tight either. In my last video, I showed you our new puppy. His name is Cyrus. I meant to do a voiceover on that video, but I forgot, so I showed him to you, but I didn't really say anything. I'll show him to you again at the end of this video in case you missed the last one. He's very cute, and he's a little bit of a biter, but that's okay. He's just 13 weeks old, so we're working on it. I'm going to continue making French knots all over the page, and then I'll find a way to incorporate some beads because I just love adding beads. I have here some tiny little crystals, and I'm just going to put them in the middle of the French knots. And that's going to be it for this one, just a simple little flower embroidery. Very pretty. I could add a little bit more stitching at the bottom, or maybe some fabric to represent tall leaves or grass, but I like it just like this. So I'm just going to end it right there.